The Arctic fox, Vulpes Lagopus, also known as the white fox or polar fox, is a small mammal native to the Arctic regions of the Northern Hemisphere. It is well adapted to survive in some of the harshest environments on Earth, where temperatures can plunge as low as -50 degrees Celsius. Arctic foxes have several physical and behavioral adaptations that allow them to thrive in their icy habitats. They have thick, multi-layered fur that provides insulation and changes color with the seasons, white during winter to blend with the snow and brown, or gray in summer for camouflage in the tundra landscape. The Arctic fox teaches us the importance of flexibility, perseverance, and finding beauty in simplicity, proving that even in the coldest, most desolate places, life can flourish and thrive. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more.